How to transfer money to someone else from the Bank Australia app. Open the Bank Australia app on your mobile phone. Tap the Pay icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap Pay Someone and choose the person you'd like to transfer to. If they're not already in your list of contacts, you can add them by tapping the plus icon in the top right of the screen. You have the option to add a new payee by using either a BSB and account number or a Pay ID, where you can conveniently enter a person's phone number or email address. You can save them to your contacts and give them a nickname if you'd like to. Type the amount you'd like to transfer and tap the blue arrow to continue. Give the transfer a description if you'd like to. This is a digital reference that you and the other person can see in the app or via internet banking. It won't be shown on your statements. Now, select which of your accounts you'd like the money to come out of. Give the transfer a reference name if you'd like to. This will show up on both yours and the other person's end-of-month statement. Make sure all the details are correct, then tap Pay Now. And you're done. You'll see a receipt which you can screenshot for your records if you'd like. You can also share the transfer information with the payee by selecting the Share icon at the top of the screen.